Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us here on this Thursday, 9 News Plus. And I'm meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Well, we have a very nice forecast for you, not just for today, not just for tomorrow, but as we head through the weekend. Just a few clouds out there, and these clouds coming in from the north. You can see here from our look at Interstate 70. This is near Loveland ski area, which about a couple hours ago was nothing but blue skies, but you see those clouds starting to filter in. Those clouds, the result of some moisture being brought down from a storm well to the north of us. But again, we are seeing some clouds. We're also seeing winds increase as a result of this storm. We'll talk about that in just a second. But let's get you down to downtown Denver, where we have got beautiful blue skies, but you can see those flags flapping in the wind. Again, that's because the winds are kicking up, result of high pressure in our area and a storm system, an area of low pressure to the north of us, and that does steepen the pressure gradient and increase those winds. Here's a look at your current temperatures. Very pleasant out there. We're looking at 60s across much of the eastern plains, I-25 corridor. Head down to the southeast corner of the state, though, you'll find those temperatures in the low 70s. 40s and 50s up in the high country. Grand Junction 57 degrees right now. So look at your weather headlines for this Thursday. We are expecting above normal temperatures right on through the weekend. We are expecting also a few flurries in the mountains, not until tomorrow, possibly Sunday as well as Monday. But again, keep an eye out for some flurries up there, especially if you're traveling through the northern mountains. And we are in store for a cool down next week. So enjoy these above normal temperatures while they last, because we're going to get back to normal and a little below normal as we head through next week. Here's a look at your HD Doppler radar. High pressure in place, and that is keeping us dry. You can see a little bit of moisture dropping down over the northern mountains, and again, that's the result of this system up here to the north and west of us. And that high pressure is really going to keep that storm track to the north of us, but we will see some clouds, possibly some wraparound moisture with a little bit of precipitation moving in the form of snow for the high country for tomorrow. But again, high pressure over our area is bringing us dry conditions, and again, you see low pressure there to the north and west. And between the two, you get a fairly steep gradient that does increase the winds, and so those winds really kicking up. You saw those flags flying here in the metro area, winds up to about 16, 17, 18 miles per hour here. But you can really see those winds pick up across the northern mountains, especially the peaks. We're looking at winds 50 plus miles per hour, and we're going to see some windy conditions down at the foothills as well. So again, expect breezy conditions at the lower elevations as we head into the evening and overnight hours, and again, some strong wind gusts up there in the high country. All right, let's put our forecast into motion. And you can see as we head into tonight, really just clouds continuing to increase over the northern half of the state. Tomorrow, though, tomorrow afternoon, you can see a little bit of light snow, some flurries forming over the northern mountains, and that does include the I-70 corridor, so don't be surprised if you're traveling if you see some flakes flying up there. Here for the lower elevations, possibly some spotty showers. Tomorrow night, Denver and metro area is looking dry, but isolated showers around. Again, very light, very brief. Don't change your plans because of them. It's going to be a beautiful day to get outdoors. But again, we may see some spotty showers as this system brings a little bit of moisture into our area. And then Sunday's looking beautiful. Saturday and Sunday are looking beautiful. A few more clouds in the mix for Sunday. But Sunday is actually shaping up to be the warmest day of our extended forecast. Your forecast highs today mainly in the 60s across the eastern plains, front range, low 70s across the southeast corner of the state. Forecast a high here in the metro area, 67 degrees. Our normal high for this time of the year is 58, so that would be almost 10 degrees above that. Not quite record-breaking, however. The record was set back in 2008, 78 degrees. So we're not going to get close, but again, we are going to be certainly warmer than we should be for this time of the year. Very pleasant overnight, with overnight lows dropping into the 30s and 40s across the eastern plains, the I-25 corridor. So it's going to be a very nice night. That means a very pleasant morning tomorrow. Breezy at times, partly cloudy tonight. Those winds out of the southwest gusting up to 20 miles per hour. Again, our overnight low here in the metro area, 39 degrees. Tomorrow, it's going to be another day much like today. A few more clouds in the mix, and temperatures, though, about the same. 67 our forecast high. A couple degrees cooler on Saturday, but still a day full of sunshine. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be dry. It's going to be warm. Get outside and enjoy the first half of your weekend. A few more clouds move in for Sunday, but temperatures really do warm up to about 70 degrees. Again, not quite record-breaking, but we are getting quite warm as we head into Sunday. And those winds are going to pick up, though. Again, we're going to expect some breezy conditions on Sunday, so we may see some elevated fire risk also out across the eastern plains. Mostly sunny on Monday, 65. It is going to get back to normal on Tuesday. We're talking seasonal temperatures. 58 degrees, overnight lows dropping down to about freezing as we head Tuesday into Wednesday. And we are expecting some isolated showers with a high of 55. We get a little bit of cold air moving in, a little bit of cold air advection, and some of those showers could teeter on becoming some snowflakes at the lower elevations on Wednesday as well. It's far out. We'll keep our eye on that one, but that is something, of course, we will keep looking at. And then we dry out, fair skies, 52 on Thursday. That is a quick look at your weather for this Thursday afternoon. Meteorologist Chris Bianchi will be back in at 4 o'clock with a look at your updated forecast. Until then, I'm Meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Enjoy this beautiful day.